Holy moly, we got the Pikachu!
DJ Delz.
Alright, we are going inside of this Target. Hopefully they've got Pikachu. Word around town is they got it. We're going inside. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we're on the hunt. What are we hunting for?
Pikachu Pop.
Turn right here. Turn here, it goes. Speed walk. And we found Pikachu. Yes. What you got there?
Pikachu.
Man, it's been a mission to try to get this. I posted a vlog earlier, failed, but the one store I went to, one of the Targets was telling me that they don't know where it is in their store because with the shipment, it's on the wrong pallet, something like that. So I was like, all right, I'll call back later. I called back later. They were like, we still haven't found it in the store. We have a funny feeling it's not even here. Try back tomorrow. But this other store, a few towns away, had found a secondary box of 6, and you could try your luck there. So when I called them up and talked to that dude that told me they were going to be at this other store, they just found the box, I just told my kids, let's go. We jetted over there to the store, and we were able to get 2 of them, one for both of my daughters. So I was happy because I wanted to get this for my older daughter for her birthday. And I wanted to get my other daughter one too. These kids love Pokemon. They got the cards, they watch the cartoon all the time. They're obsessed with Pokemon. They got the t-shirts, I mean, they got it all, the toys. It's a major thing, Pokemon. So I was so happy to get theirs, and it's like the cartoon, man. I always liked the cartoon. I wasn't really crazy like collecting the cards and playing the game and everything, but I always was a fan of the actual cartoon. So I do want one too, but you know, kids come first, man. I don't need it that bad. As long as my 2 kids got it, I'm very, very happy. So this is one of theirs. I just want to give you a detailed look, and let's take Pikachu out of the box. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I think they could have done a better job with the tongue. I don't like how the tongue is on there. I feel like they could have done something, I don't know exactly what, but something to make it more looking like a Funko Pop. Maybe the head needed to be a little more oversized. Maybe it needed to be a bobblehead, but it's just giving me a regular figure vibe. Like, you know, I've seen a bunch of Pikachu and other Pokemon characters in action figure form because I've bought a bunch for my kids. So this just really reminds me of one of the action figures, I'm gonna be honest with you. But being that it's related to Funko Pop, you know, you got your hype behind it, and it's fun that they actually made the Pikachu Funko Pop. So it's cool. I'm just critiquing it a little as a review because why not? Why not actually give you guys a review? Do I want them? Yeah, definitely. Because look, I collect Funko Pops. I got a lot of them. So I want Pikachu because I love Pika. Thumbs up that video for that out of the box honest review. And there you go with a close-up HD look at Pikachu. Let me know if you're able to pick him up or not. If you didn't watch the vlog I uploaded earlier today, please do so because it was really good. I hate doing double uploads, but I know a lot of people would like to get my review, my unboxing, my opinions on this Funko Pop. Do I think it's going to be hard to get? I think so. I think that people are just going to try to buy all of them, you know. And that's a big problem with these Funko Pops, man. You know, these resellers are just, they caught on, man. They know that there's people like us that have a passion for it, that like collecting it, and they're going to buy as many as they can to try to sell on eBay or any other place that, you know, you could sell your Funko Pops, even on Instagram and all that stuff. But once again, if you didn't see the video I uploaded earlier today, please watch it. It really was a great vlog, so I would love you to watch. If you love Funko Pop, you'll definitely enjoy that video. And I hate double uploading, but as I said, it's kind of a big deal, man. You know, Pikachu is an icon, so, you know, a lot of people want to see a video on that, so I had to do that. But check out yesterday's video and the video I uploaded this morning. I would appreciate it. Thumbs up the video, please. And subscribe if you're new. Join my Patreon. I do an hour podcast every single week, plus a monthly giveaway. And on top of that, I will post information in the description box below too. Funko Pops you probably are going to want to pick up or available on pre-order. And if I find out about any information where you can find this online, of course on Target site, but an actual link, I will post that for your convenience. So I can hopefully help you guys capture this Pokemon right here. Gotta catch them all, right? Much love out there. We out of here.